welcome to Adventures in Oregon. And we have finally made it to the Wolf Creek Inn. This is where we're taking you, and we have the whole place to ourselves for the night. This is gonna get interesting.
And very, very fun, people.
Oh, this is gonna be way cool.
Now we're gonna show you guys.
Let's give them a bit of a tour of the outside.
You see, people, we're not like Ghost Adventures. We aren't gonna trash talk their town. Their town is actually pretty cool. It's nice and relaxed, totally peaceful. I haven't heard any yelling or anything, so I have nothing bad to say about their town. I think it's pretty cool and chill. We like towns that there's not that much drama in.
This is the front where the stagecoaches would pull up and drop people off to go get a room at the inn.
Yep.
Or just drink in the tavern, who knows?
Hard to tell now these days.
Yeah.
But we'll give you a little bit of history right here. I'm going to get it at a wide angle for you guys.
There is so much inside that you guys are going to be amazed at too. Plaque about the tavern right here, representative of the stagecoach inns and stories associated with the early roads and trails of Oregon. Yep, so they stop in here, get a drink, or get a drink and a room.
But this is pretty cool, people.
Yeah.
Alright, now we're going to take you inside.
Yeah.
Which is way cooler. We're going to have to go that way. So now we're going to walk around. Walk, walk, walk. So all YouTubers ever do is we walk.
Trying to look at that window up there.
I think we're part of the Alan Walker group and not realizing it.
Alright. That's another room right there.
We're part of the walkers. Ooh, look at this. Roses, people.
Beautiful. It smells so good.
Look at that. So cool. And then after we're done inside, we'll show you the back.
Ooh, nasty spider.
Yeah. Icky spider.
Here we go.
Here we are inside Wolf Creek Inn, people. We have this place to ourselves tonight.
Here was the Clark Gable room.
Yep.
We can't go in any of the ones that are closed because they're locked.
Yep.
But there is plenty of rooms in here that are open.
This is so cool. Oh my gosh, people. And for Omar TV and the Fam James, you guys need to come check this place out too. Seriously, guys.
Omar and James, get your butt over here.
Because you will be amazed. We are going to go with the zoom in. Widescreen, people.
Nice sitting room.
Look at this.
Yes, this was where the women would.
This is where the women would entertain. Sit down and chat and.
Yeah, drink their tea and.
Talk the woman talk.
Yeah, look at all these teapots and cups and books. Makers of history.
This is so cool.
Wow.
Look at that, people. This is so cool. And we are here all night long.
I know. Oh, see, this is what they would use for the bed warmers. They put the hot coals in there, put them between the blankets.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Or hot stones. Regardless, it was from the fireplace and
this is so cool.
Was not very safe to put in your bedding.
No. People actually caught on fire from it.
Yeah, and this piano does work too. So if we hear that in the middle of the night, you know.
Then we know.
Look at some of these pictures too real quick. Like, this was the early 1920s.
And then in 1940s.
Panorama taken from the Wolf Creek Inn. Wow. Oh yeah, there's so much history in just these walls.
Here's Wolf Creek again. Train depot.
Oh yeah.
1940s.
We have that whole train track strip.
Look at these steps we have to walk up.
This is the other stairwell.
We haven't heard much yet on camera. We did catch something off camera. It sounded like a man.
Here was the founder, Henry Smith.
Yeah, really cool guy for owning this place.
Yeah.
Because without it, we wouldn't have anything. This, people, is the ballroom.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to go back this way though.
Oh, we will. Isn't this so cool, people? The ballroom.
Speaking of ball, show that blue ball over there. We're gonna have to.
We're gonna play with that blue ball later on tonight and try and act with some of those spirits.
Yeah, we heard there was a little girl here. We're gonna see if she'll want to play. I haven't peeked over at these other stairs over here, but there's a rope, so we can't go down them.
But we can show you like this.
Oh, that's a tight little corner, isn't it?
Heck yeah, it is.
That was definitely like a.
That's cool.
Like a servant stairway almost.
Maybe we can get them to show us a little bit of this before we check out tomorrow. The air is thick in here.
Yeah. No, I know.
It's cool. I love it when the air is thick. That means there's something in here.
Oh, yeah.
And then voila, down here we go. This is the Jack London room.
He wrote some of his famous stories on that little bed there. Thinking of his ideas and his dreams, and I believe there was a typewriter for him right here.
Yeah, it probably was.
Yeah. But for those of you who don't know who Jack London is, if White Fang, the book or movie, rings a bell, he wrote the book.
Or the Sea Wolf.
Yeah, he wrote lots of other stuff.
Ooh, look at this in
Here's
there.
about Golden.
And Coyote Creek.
Yeah.
This is just so chill, people. I can't believe we were able to get this place to ourselves tonight.
I know.
Who would ever think YouTubers would end up?
There's bunkers in here.
Who would ever think YouTube would end up in here? But we're here, people. We're showing it all. The bunk beds.
I know. Look, you get it right here. We attach the ladder to the wall.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's locked. And then there's this.
Yeah, a room full of history.
Wolf Creek, 1905.
Wow.
So cool, people.
Ooh. There's a picture of it on Christmas Day in 1998. And it looks really pretty with all the snow.
Okay, hang on, I'll get to there.
Yeah.
Look at all these pictures I have to go through.
Oh, I know, there's a ton.
And people, please don't knock on other people's towns, because this is a really nice, small, tight-knit community.
Yeah.
They probably look after each other very well and have each other's backs very well. And I bet you just about everybody here knows everybody that lives here. So, we don't want to trash anybody's towns. We don't do that. We'll never do it.
Yeah. Recognize the glass insulator?
Yes,
I have a couple
you have
of
a few of them.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess we're not going to be the only ones here, people.
Oh.
So,
We'll
since
be on the other side.
there's other people here, we're going to cut this video short real quick, and when we go outside, we'll restart it. Thank you, everybody. This has been Adventures in Oregon. We appreciate everybody logging in and watching our channel. Thank you to all the new subscribers, and we are coming to you from Wolf Creek Inn. More videos to come. We love you all, and enjoy your day.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. See what it says on the door.
Oh, I was looking at those.
Just room 5.
Yeah.
But this is cool, people. We might not be the only ones here now, but we'll make the best of it. We still have the most haunted room in this whole inn, so.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll show you our room, people. There's our room. See? You saw it. Now we can go back this way. Joking.
Key out.
Ooh.
It's a bit messy on the bed, but
Yeah, but it's only because we just got here.
yeah.
But look at this, people. And yes, we are on the second story.
Oh, yeah.
We're probably going to go out and show you guys the outside down more in the lawn, in the backyard, and on the back deck.
Yeah, we'll go around the rest of the building.
But this is so cool. So chillax.
That lamp in there is really cool.
I know, right? I don't think we can go out that door either and stand on
No,
that.
this is part of the deck, I'm sure.
Yeah, probably.
Well, I don't know about this one. I mean, there's chairs sitting out there.
Oh, well,
There's
this.
no sign that says there's one.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's a little menu on the table. So I think, yeah, we could use this one.
Check this out, guys.
Oh, nice. Yeah, because there's one other balcony in the front that has a sign on the door that says you're not supposed to go out there.
Yeah.
I mean, the wood, it looks like
It was
would wanna walk
dangerous.
on it, so.
It was definitely dangerous looking, and they had a good call when they said don't go out on that deck. But this one's sturdy.
This place is so cool.
So glad they showed us this.
Yeah.
So glad we came.
Oh, I know.
Now back in, because it's hot.
Yeah, that's warm outside. It's cool in here.
Back down the stairs we go.
Yeah, going down this way. I think, wasn't there any more down here through the...
Not any open doors, but
I think we went through to that. Yeah, that was
Yeah.
the ladies.
ooh, so spooky going down this hallway sometimes. But
A long hallway.
like watch all the lights go out. That tripped me out.
That'd be cool, actually.
I'd be tripping a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Wouldn't scare me. I'd just be tripping, wondering why they went off.
Yeah.
How the hell did they? Oh, okay.
So awesome.
This is Wolf Creek Inn, everybody.
Yeah.
It's a nice place. It really
We
is.
made it. We made it. I mean, look, like, you look around, you can see there's trees everywhere. Like, I can't see them very well. And a little bit back there, we're surrounded by mountains.
And
forest.
Which is what we like.
Yeah, definitely. Sweet.
Oh.
This is so awesome.
Oh, we got more people coming in.